level na chuan exercise number 5.4 kan zir do ang application of quadratic equation in real life. What problems anti ang chi ka what problems kan san chu I azo na ka equation karon om don lova real life kan muang chi ang in thu in ron om don at rang kan equation ka lo siam chok tur ni leader equation ang kan zir to thaw ate tu na miang he in share tur chu equation hi siam lai har lai berani equation so pa chu all to lu tu ni base equation hi ron om sa lo zo na ka ron om ta sap trong ten ka I sap trong kha mathematical equation chan ti ka khalai ka har na lai ber chu nia ma se hi poi mo ber si nia ma kan zir to song song class na trai zir to polynomials dan is zir ho zo factorization zong zong kha tuna atopa tuna hian ahman na tak tak karon thling ta ni geometry at he kan lo manga chu sum don na chi at kan lo mang to bok ta real life at 3x plus 7 equal to 10 ti kha chu chu ro ti kha ro dom don lo re ma se ti hian ro am de don ni artui pathum le ti na artui pathum le artui pathum le alu ke som chu cheng zale som ngama ni ti jong den ro kal ding artui pa khale exam ni alu ke ji khale exam ai di khan zo na kharon kal de don ta ni chulai tak chon equation kha om sa lo na ma khan siam chok kha angai thin don ta ni tu na mi po hi chu tiang chu nia chuan ka chok don lova equation hi ka ron frame ro ta na cho tak kha chu ka sei don khan chapter ma sa ma kha mi kha a har dei sok tu mi chu all tu ko ni solve lai ta ki chu chuan ka du lo deu thil pa in lo ti thin chu guidebook emo in u te min lo cho ti rein ro solve le top thin kha kha thalawa thiam ta don lo na kina ka test don chu ko ti kha test kuna khan kan mu chho le don tho tho chewa chu wangin le na kila school le kan lu le tak tak dona chu huna chonin in bum thei to lo wang nang mani zo khamo chu wang choni thiam lo ko chon mi ron zo phe chu injinga khan pathum pali pangavel chin omin ka khen mi ron zo tai ma deu ka tiang ka zo shil te pokan cha kha mark pek te po kha anuam train assignment khan ni then khat in ron copy ti khelu to ko chu mark pek khain phur om lo ni ka khara na jo le number 6 5.4 number 6 kan chok china nga chuan pali pangavel ka cho sang chunga ba khinang manin lo chok nga chuan thiam lo in nature mi ron so tang in mark hi ka pe ve thin ta na chawa share dai to chu ai mi assignment le attendance khan assignment khan mark ni chau puwa chuan attendance khan mark thum in ron submit trim ka attendance ra kan assume ta chuan mark thum chin hunga lang ani chuan assignment in ron ti in di lo da kan mark ni po me the a mark tam zo a mark som banga putu chu in te sani te ka reng cheu class test kan nei te to me chanak tu science chu kan test do na maths po kan na te sang oili te som do na in u de khain no zot me don ni ko chho to ka mo test po mo ja ka ni top 10 at clean no fila first division le distinction in karani tiang zelin third division le second division in karani khai ma in ma khola ka ngai po mo em tur ni. Now look at number 6. Find two consecutive odd positive integers whose sum of whose square is 290. Yeah. Ngay tuang positive number, positive integers. So ngay positive integer odd at dia in odd number ho kha te ho hinta 1 te 3 te 5. And in la number hi patni je na thlau ni chu ba number 7 kha 1 and so dot 2 1 plus 2 draw patni thlau chuan dot le po 3 plus 2 nilo ti zo hen ja zo ka dot le hi 1 plus 2 plus 2 ani 5 ti ja in 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 2 va bil zel ti da ni chu now x again lo soi tai la amma saber kha x sakana jiu mang 1 hi kan thelo wa engin number kha 1 an thea 3 thea kan thelo chu x kan tiang a do che chu engin yang x plus 2 ni mai do ni. Okay, so let me erase all this. Now you write let x and x plus 2 be the integers. Full conjugate man all positive integers then can also then you write here is to by the given condition equation z don there chon by the given condition it yang condition pek chu a sum kha of square kha zani som kwa hemiti kan square kan bel boka x kha square to x plus 2 po square to. Then I look carefully. 2x square delta hele 2x square la chua he ta 4x chua plus 4 equals 290 means 2x square plus 290 he la phe tai la get 2x square plus 4x minus 286 equal to 0. Then 2 common kan lenga x square plus 2x minus 143 equals 0. 2 hi lama da pheliang x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0 and multiply 2 le la expression pu pu hi join divide join 0 tho chok le ya then he factorize ngal to 143 kha nge 13 divided 0 13 1 is 13 13 11 13 11 ani ngal me 13 11 minus 11 ta set to tha chu ka se do ha ka ti sak to don lo che a no minus it or the transition minus 11x minus 143 equals 0. Okay, you continue from here. So an answer to x le x plus 2 khan ni mai don ni. Now okay, let me do this example dangan choklenga exercise dang I mean a 2-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 18. When 63 is subtracted from the number, the digit interchange their places. Find the exercise masalam akhani thiam to kha x le y ga ti le photanga y ro chu abo de yang let the digit tingal to pang no let the 10 digit unit digit mo let the 10th digit be x and unit digit be y. Product of digit is 18 tia so wangin a digit hikat puntirang therefore xy equal to 18 or y equal to 18 by x. Y ka over thiang lo waka ti bodi don ni where 63 subtracted off from the number or a number to he dani the number is 10x plus y tro ka dithin ka or 10x plus y 18 by x kanito. When 63 subtracted from the number, apply takka by the given condition. A number turning 63 by 2. 10x plus 18 by x minus 63. Where 63 is subtracted from the number, the digit interchange their places. A number linked on 10x plus 18 by x di 18 by x and 10 o mga x hi x to point on ni chu equal to 10 into 18 by x unit kamo plus x ani mai hey 10 and multiply to nga x kha alang na kal do. All right. Now let's take all of this on the left hand side. And vai khan left hand side akan da ve ka ngai ta wait before that. Let's see. 10x plus 18 by x minus 63 minus 10 into 18 by x minus x equals 0. X LCM la popula vain. You know, so 10x squared plus 18 minus 63x minus x abawa 180 direct minus x squared equals 0. X like 0 and multiplying at 0 like 10x squared like x squared trăng khan 9x squared chuaka minus 63x til dangam lo tro chuan 180 le 18 trăng khan nge chuak pai tur bo minus chuanga 2 7 at 1 6 162 equals 0. 9 o common lea x square minus 9 7 zamo 63 minus 9 1 is 9 72 9 is a 72 or x square minus direct minus 18 equal to 0 by 9 ni dona ta hian mo ma se 0 by 9 po chu 0 tho chho chu 0 ta han direct to the khan he ta chu di chocolate he to na main tai jon answer kha x le x y ti ve khai don lo x le 80 by x point don lo a number a khai tin an x 3 le 4 lo mudala 34 ni mai 7 le 3 mudala 72 ni le mai okay. Now 16 you got to look carefully. The length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle exceeds the length of the base by 2 cm exceeds twice the length of the altitude by 1 cm. Find the length of each side of a triangle. That's done. Ta hian amasaber in right triangle chungchang asoya Pythagoras theorem class 7 atang zero to kha la thengin lo tu A B C right triangle ta se ta hian AC hypotenuse ania ela hi base kan tiang o BC kha chuan altitude chu AB hin don ta ni and long the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle exceeds the length of the base by 2 so it exceeds towards the length of the altitude by 1 atia hypotenuse ka asoi kopani altitude na in relate dana soya base na in relate dana soy le bok chu wide altitude ka x kandang let I mean hypotenuse ka x kandang let hypotenuse equal to or equal to mine let hypotenuse again hypotenuse AC draw AC equal to x. So on again the length of the hypotenuse over exceed the length of the base by 2. Base I here 2 na tamzo ko ti base 4 ay jon hay 6 ay no na chu 5 ay jon 7 hay 10 ay jon 12 pahin na tamzo zel don e mo la din zone hay pahin na claim zo zel do ti dani base ka hay 4 ay jon hay 2 hay 9 ay jon hay 7 pahin claim. Therefore, base 2 pahiat lem x minus 2 Bolo tro chuan altitude hen ne soi be n exceed twice the length of the altitude by 1 altitude let ni a hian pakhalin la tam le zo ka tia altitude kha exact an la khelo altitude kha y di la phodang o chol sanan altitude let altitude equal to y masela te bo ngal don y hi oma thiang lo x a le chanangai chuan in relationship kha petani altitude let ni ain pakhatin ala tamatia exceed twice the length of the altitude by 1 humje chu hypotenuse atang hian altitude let ni kha paita la 1 la chuak leng ati emo x equal to 1 plus 2y tinani or 1 plus 2y equal to x or 2y equal to x minus 1 y kha thiang lawa ti bonga ka ti kha x minus 1 by 2 boilo tro ti khan kan nei ta therefore tianga ac chu x ania bc base kha x minus 2 ko ne to a chuan ab altitude kha x minus 1 by 2 now Pythagoras theorem when applying by Pythagoras theorem Pythagoras theorem chuan hypotenuse square ka square dang patni bel khom khan tlukati side dang square table khom ne khan ain tlukatia chuwangin kan apply nga ac squared equal to ab squared plus bc squared ani ac chu x ania ab kha nge ab kha x minus 1 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus bc chu x minus 2 mo ti khan equation chu kan ta hi simplify le lokanga la simplify chin ti ka pui le don chu ne you know so then x square minus 2x ka dai do no a minus b whole square kha ne me a 2 square ka 4 plus tapo x square minus 4x plus 4 x square equals LCM le lo long 4 and thawa x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 4x square minus 16x plus 16 Cosila 4x square equal to like bel theorem 5x square chuaka minus 2x less 16x tang minus 18x more plus 1 less 16 tang plus 17 kimtera hela phang vain hela min la page of posatiang 5x square minus 18x plus 17 equal to 4x square sin thlang ngai lo vai kan la phege vai 4x square chu la phei to 5x square minus 18x plus 17 equal not equal minus 4x square equals 0 by thaya x square minus 18x plus 17 equals 0 dai chu na mai theta ta 17 na chuak pun tira abela 8 minus 18 chuak chu chiang 17 le 1 ani mai minus 17 le minus 1 okay you can continue from here kan tu tok lenga now let's look at this one is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meters squared if so find its length and breadth at the rectangular at the shape hintani hela hi length kan te hela breadth kan te in la khera ka area chu length into breadth ania perimeter chu 2 l plus b plus 9 plus 8 in 0 to thil tharon lo perimeter kan nei 80 tia area kan nei a 400 ati bok okay tiang tiang let length ke x kan assume therefore breadth chu chiang mai breadth chu kan ni chon length into breadth ka 400 ania 400 look carefully the hian breadth chu 400 by x ani mai don ni achan chu area kha 400 en tlata 400 length into breadth equal to 400 length to x ania x into b equal to 400 means b chu 400 by x okay breadth equal to 400 by x chuan perimeter kha kan hmang veang by the given condition perimeter kha 2l plus b mo perimeter kha anxiety 80 equal to 2l is x mo breadth to 400 by x so samna 2 ka da phei diang 80 by 2 loi chu le don 2 kha chuan x plus 400 by x 40 chuaka LCM kan na lea x squared plus 400 forsla x squared plus 400 equal to 40x or x squared minus 40x plus 400 equals 0 te khan 400 kai factorize le nga ingai tuang number pani a multiply a 400 chuak a bela minus 40 chuak kha okay now I'll leave that to you. So ito kan at top thing ang kacho sang don no chu dito ka at cho hi chu har to ngai lo equation frame lai har lai berani. Now look at number 25. Hi in la zir a geometry kan la zir che lo chu wan har ni do me thea. A pole has to be erected on a point on the boundary of a circular path of diameter 30 meters in such a way that the difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gate A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. Is it possible to do so? If yes, at what distances from the two gates should the poles be erected? Geometry kan la zir lova angle semicircle the value zir to ila all the turania la zir tat let me use this diagram. Okay, wait, I'll just use my pen. Circle khom ta ni chuan diameter opposite ve diameter khom ta lai hol tlang kha lai o center chuan ta hele ta hian a le b khom ta ni chuan khoi lai mo hen pole khom don ban khom don ni lai o a b hi 13 ania 13 meter. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular path of diameter 13 meters in such a way that the difference of its distances from two kan pole kha kan pole siam tur khat lai vel henom ta se p tiang o minga om je chu a tanga hla zong le b tanga hla zong difference ka 7 meter en ton tin ani chu oh it's very difficult to draw from my tablet and then an ap lo sei jok ta se ap tanga pb difference pai chuan 7 meter a chu dot tin ani chu tian chu thil ti thei nei em is it possible tia lo ni ta se ap hi eng tia hlange pb he eng tia hlange di chu choroi ta ni then ap kan nei lo pb po kan nei chono ma se ap tang pb difference kan nei chu 7 meters ti kha now heta hian I thre tur chu kan geometry dan kan man tur chu he hi notice nakina geometrical zero don to this theorem angle in a semi circle is a right angle he kan mang do na ni semicircle chu nge hey a diameter atang khan hila hen angle in siam se hey 90 degree na ni me oh khoilai point dik ve khelai point om ta se and then c de lom ta se time point c ac le cb ac angle acb ka 90 degree tho at noilo ma point tho ta hen d de lom ta se bd le ad kharin zom la angle adb ka 90 degree ni rel tho ni nakina geometry chen no kan zirang kha jo le kha kan mang don tu na hian so apb is a right triangle apb is a right triangle achunga mi tho khan pythagoras theorem tho man le tur ni hi let ap equal to x kan tianga so the difference kan nei ap tanga pb pai kha exactly 7 kan ti to tro chu wangin kha kan manga langa therefore pb equal to x minus 7 oh hey x atang x minus 7 kha pai la 7 a chhok le chen ni chuan pythagoras theorem man le mai tur in right triangle apb let's apply pythagoras theorem again ab kha hypotenuse anita ab squared equal to ap squared plus pb squared ab is 13 more 13 squared ap is x plus x minus 7 all squared hey chu all to thiam tong to tang hi chuan nang man chok le to don ne le tu na atop bera kal cho sa tur chu look at this problem. A shopkeeper buys a number of books for ₹80. If he had bought 4 more books for the same amount, each book would have cost ₹1 less. How many books did he buy? Kan chok mai di zonga soilong am zotonga sai photanga cheng somre din le khabu eng mo sa ta leita buli dang hi label ta se book hat man ka cheng khatina claim jo don tin angani chu wangin bu eza cheng nge le ta thil dang de kan ngai tuanga entrinan le khabu kha som ni lo le ta se books mo chut ale lino ka chut de doni books ka som nin ta se book hat man kha one book kha entrinan cheng cheng som ni ta se enjang e poisa se total cost to 200 ro chot aman ngai re the same amount cheng sani tho khan in enjang bu kan label ta ne bu som ni lo label ta ila ni lo bu som jo tam don bunga lo label ta ila okay books ka som ni pangalo ni ta se ako su ngai reng zati tho ni ta se book khat man exam yang one book man chu 200 by 25 anyanga chu ching riat enge difference 10 minus 8 2 draw 10 ka khoi tang lo chhuak adi chuan 200 by 20 tang lo chhuak ani 8 ka khoi tang lo chhuang e 200 by 25 atang lo chhuak a poisa kha abuza ding kan divide a poisa kha abuza thung kan divide chong kan paya he kan paita tu ron cho khatiang chikan he tan kan tiviang let the for example let the number of books bought equal to x kan tiang chuan book khat man chu kan chutang cost of one book chu zange che sombre tia hei ta hian zani kha somni kan divide an che khan tuna chon sombre da nia poisa kan sen zat kha chu chu bu zong zong ba din kan sema chuan an tinga soi kha if you bought 4 more books for the same amount extra book timing extra books equal to buli leita a atira lekha x plus 4 lo inton ta ni now therefore cost of one book chu engelo ta cost of one book chu 80 by x plus 4 elai miang chia 200 by 20 200 by 25 bungai ga lo exceed ka so he ta nei kan pai te ro kha chuan tu ron chuang che khan kan pai venga tai chuan 1 ron chuang by the given condition kan payang 80 by x hi bukhat manani tuna bukha atira bukhat manani bubli label nu bukhat man chu 80 by x plus 4 ne bethuni chongi lo chuak cheng khatro chuak kha in thlona kha 1 less ati cheng khat 1 so just take LCM again or LCM la main he chu LCM la I all sum tlat mi step common la zo kang 80 common if you look carefully 80 is common so bang 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 4 equals 1 yan so sum of that 80 x plus 4 x ka LCM niya x plus 4 minus x equals 1 ta yan khala cancel thei zuya now almost over le 4 ka punti le la 18 4 are 320 mo 4 are 32 by no hene chok x square plus 4x equal to 1 ne chok chok zo lo long x square plus 4x equal to cross multiply la 320 or x square plus 4x minus 320 equals 0 now ka ngai tuang henge chok thei and factorize par la te hero chota ni upon 320 minus 320 bela pali chuak 2 8 the chuak ai to 16 20 le 16 ani mo 20 chuak at 16 20 le 16 na 4 chuak tai tan minus om se so x square plus 20x minus 16x minus 320 equals 0 x a common x plus 20 minus 16 a common x minus to minus plus 16 to the 32 0 x plus 20 common layer x minus 16 equal to 0. Now x plus 20 can 0 tluktinania, x minus 16 can 0 tluktinani bok, x equal to minus 20, x equal to 16. Pani chok tama se apani kana dik veve lo tan pakha cho dik hei cho hi dikani engati hei dik lo de le khabuza ka a negative thelo. Oh, since number of books cannot be negative, therefore number of books equals 16. Boynam lotro so to ka in boy ka chuan mi khai non zot mai don nia thil dang club copy to kwalawin